Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, we're going to be talking about VIX 75 1S and boom 1000. And now we're going to see if we're going to add a third PM that we're going to analyze for this week, right? So these are going to be just signals that you guys can look at and take advantage of these opportunities. Yeah. Before I continue, you can just click on the subscribe button, like the video, and yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please comment below and let us know what you would like us to add on the next market focus of the synthetic indices. So we are looking at VIX 75 1S, right? Let me just add a watermark so that you guys can know which one is this one. There we go. VIX 75 1S, right? So you guys saw it, and now I'm gonna remove it because the watermark just makes the chart looks ugly, man. So here structure is bullish, right? Overall direction is bullish. So what we're looking at here, we're gonna be looking for buy opportunities, right? So the market now, just waiting for the market to break above here. If we can just nicely break above this area here, come back and retest, guys, we're gonna be buying this thing until here, right? So that's where we're gonna be targeting, right? So let's just wait for price to do what? Break above here, come back, retest, and give us an opportunity to push up there. Let's see what 4 hour is for us, right? And because I don't see any reasons to sell this market when it's bullish. Do you understand what I mean? Right? It's just like going against the traffic, you know. So here now we have, that was our daily time frame, by the way. This is 4 hour. So in 4 hour we have this area here, right? So still looking for the same thing. So what we can expect here is just wait for 4 hour to close like this, break, right? And then wait for price to come back and then give us an opportunity here, right? Either give us some rejections here and then just to show that, okay, cool, we're not going to be breaking below here, and then wait for the opportunities for a buy, right? And then if the market hesitate to do that and just play around here, we can get something like this, and then we can also continue taking these buys, right? And then if the market doesn't give us that, what we can expect is wait for price to break and come back and give us a retest, and then we can start looking for sells, right? If it doesn't give us the opportunities for buys, right? But I'm bullish on VIX 75 1S. Overall direction is bullish, and this is gonna be a nice ride to these highs, right? Obviously, it won't take a day or two to get there, right? The market can give us, let's say, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to push to the upside, right? Or depending, I don't know. Nobody knows what the market can do, right? So the market can give us like 2 to 3 weeks to go up there, or can just break below, give us confirmation, and then continue dropping, right? And then let's see. So where would I target? Where would I put my TPs if I were to take these buys here? So obviously, this is gonna be our TP1 because you're not going to be buying in this area where the market's currently at. You're going to be buying when the market comes back and give us an opportunity here. So this is going to be our TP1. Remember, you need to put realistic TPs, guys, because if you don't, you're going to blow your account, right? And then, or you're going to close with break even, right? So here, this is going to be our TP2. And then as the market continue pushing up, we're going to be like moving our stop loss into profits, right? If you're a day trader like me, obviously you will close when you are happy with the profits. And then if you're a swing trader, obviously you will do scale ins as the market continue pushing up. But I can tell you now where you're going to be able to put your scale ins because the market can just give another structure as it goes to the upside or to the downside, right? But for updates, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and then make sure to join our Telegram group, which the link is going to be below. And also, if you would like to learn how to trade like us, the course is currently going at a $40 special, which is going to be $750. The normal price is $150. So take advantage of that. The sale is going to end on the 7th of July. If you're watching this by the 7th of July, sorry, man, wait for the next sale. So let's look for the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe. Did I mention that? If I did, apologies, but please do subscribe and like the video, comment below. So now let's move on to the next one. I'm going to be looking at crash, right? Crash. I'm going to send these setups to the public Telegram group. So make sure that you do join. You want to see all the updates there. So we are looking for, let's say crash, no, boom, 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 boom. But I saw something interesting on boom, right? So on boom, we have this range, right? One thing I love about this Sunday thing is there's no news, right? There's no news. It's just man-made. So open 24/7. If you see a setup at 3 o'clock, don't say it's London session or whatever. It's 3 o'clock. It's an opportunity. You take it, right? So yeah,
Hope you guys can hear me.
Mike, let me just quickly test that. I'm gonna mute myself and pause the video quickly. All right, all right. Everything is back to normal. Okay, okay. Now what we're waiting for now here is, oh, we're in a range. Yeah, because I was mumbling too much about other stuff. Sorry, guys. So now here we are in a range. On boom, right? Overall direction here is bearish. Overall direction is bearish. So as we know that boom give us spikes to the upside and then crash give us spikes to the downside, right? So you need to be cautious when you're taking buys while the market is bearish, right? So when yeah, you need to be cautious if you're taking sales and then you put a stop loss, you know, because the spike will just take you out. I'm sure guys you know about this now. If you don't know, there's a video on a YouTube channel on how to trade boom. Go watch that video. I'm gonna put the link somewhere on the screen, and then you guys can just go watch that. Like just to save time, man. You know the vibes. Okay, cool. So we have market rejecting this low, rejecting this low, rejecting this low, rejecting this high, rejecting this high, right? So we are in a range. On a range, what do? We buy the lows, we sell the highs. Obviously, that's the basics that everyone knows, right? But now we can see that we already missed this opportunity here. Price is already pushing up. What can we wait for, right? So we are seeing this area here, which price is currently breaking, right? So for us, in order to take this buy opportunity, and it's going to be a nice one, right? Targeting these highs here. Gonna be a nice one, targeting these highs here. So what we can do is we can wait for price to do what? Wait for price to break to the upside, come back, give us a retest, and then we're gonna buy, right? But now let's look at it 4 hour and see what 4 hour does give us, right? Guys, if I'm speaking too fast, sorry, I can't help it. Just make the video a bit slower on YouTube so the guys can understand, right? Okay, now let's go to 4 hour. I love you guys, man. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and then by next year we're gonna be targeting 5,000, and we're gonna be doing a lot of giveaways as we go to 1,000, right? So make sure that you do subscribe so that you don't miss the giveaways. So looking on 4 hour, right? 4 hour we have this new high here, and then we have price giving us the higher low, and then we come back and break above again, right? So if I were to take this trade right now, I will take it here. And then with my stop loss up below there, and then I will be targeting this highs here, right? So that's how simple the setup will be. And I will just send the setup now to Telegram, but let me just quickly see if 1 hour is giving us something that we can use there. You might be wondering what time frame I trade. Higher time frames, okay? Higher time frame, higher time frame. If you're struggling to understand these things, easy. It will just cost you $40 to join our community, and you'll never regret it. Okay, there's nothing for me on 1 hour. I will just wait on 4 hour, right? 4 hour. And the broker to trade with synthetic indices is there. I'm gonna put the link below. Sign up, minimum deposit $5. No, $5, $10, sorry. And then you can just start trading this. So yeah, boom, simple setup. We're in a range. Currently you can see price pushing to the upside, right? So Damn, my screen just went off there. I thought it was load sharing. So this is a sign that I just need to quickly end this video and then edit, upload it for you guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe on this channel for more videos. So let me just quickly finish us. So now on the range, we already rejected these lows and now we're currently pushing to the upside. So now what we're gonna wait for, we just wanna wait for price to do what? Give us a retest, which is currently giving us, right? And then we're currently seeing price breaking above again. So this is the opportunity that I would take. I know someone will be looking at these lines and be like, this guy is doing something that doesn't make sense. It makes sense, right? It makes sense. Just need to pay attention. So price pushes up, close above again, close above this area here. So entry here, stop loss there, and then we're targeting these highs here. Guys, the market is in a range. If it's coming from the lows, obviously it's going to the highs. If it's coming from the highs, obviously it's going to the lows. So that's what the market does. And that's why we have stop loss in case if we are wrong and we are taken out. Because remember, boom, 1000 is in a bearish trend, the overall direction. But now we are seeing this nice range happening on daily, which we can take advantage of. So make sure that you do apply your risk management when you're taking these trades. And then if you like the video, comment below and catch you guys on the next one.